What's up? It's your boy DaVerseOfficial back. Take two. It's your boy DaVerseOfficial back again with another video, and in this video, it's Thanksgiving. It's chaos here, you guys. It's chaos. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just get into this because it's too much noise. So guys, this is what I deal with a day before Thanksgiving, preparing the food. So what are you preparing, ma'am?
Apples and cutting more stuff. Fruit salad. It's called fruit salad. Yeah, fruit salad.
She said I'm preparing apples. How do you? What are you doing? Fake eating medicine? We have to make our tea, sir.
Yeah.
But
I love the tea because he puts way too much sugar in it. Don't put no sugar in it. If you put sugar in it, it's not gonna help you at all. Mom didn't put sugar at all.
this is what I deal with a day before Thanksgiving. The Three Stooges, the leader of it, and Mom. How you feeling? You tired? You don't feel good either? I'm making you sleep for some Tamales for Thanksgiving. It's okay, baby. It's all love. You know, this is a national black holiday once a year we get to. So, yes, we have that. That's what this is for?
Yeah, pozole.
Oh, and then
For the tamales too.
yeah, the tamales.
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 Like she said, the tamales, right, Mom?
Yeah.
See, she agreed with me. So we have more raw meat. You first have to slap it with the knife. She did slap it with the knife, just like that. And then you have, I don't know what, she's making some pie. That's leftovers. This is supposed to go for, oh, the cupcakes in there. And she hit off nice. So this started off a lot more cookies, and she ate a few of them.
No, I'm gonna make
That's
more
cap.
tomorrow in the morning. These are supposed to be snowflake.
Oh, you use those cutters, right?
Yes, this is supposed to be a snowflake. It looks like a flower. You cut a snowflake, Charles.
I didn't cut nothing. I didn't even touch it.
You chopped off
These 50,000 eggs, I don't know what's gonna be used for. Here's the start of the tamales. So we first drop this in here for it to soak. We got more pie crust.
We're only making two.
Oh, just making two pies?
Yes, they gave us 5 or 6. We need some pie crusties.
Let's look how she prepares apples.
Yeah, me preparing apples for real.
Let's see how you cut it. Show me your work. So now we're gonna try this burner that I've never used before. I don't know what I'm doing. I may blow something up, and if I do, this is the last video I'm gonna upload. So this is what we're working with to make the tamales. And I hope everything works right, but we're gonna go outside and test it. If you're looking for a good deal on one, there's a $99 one at Home Depot right here. And it will be great. She's drumming over here, making all the noise. It's one of them. But yeah, we got this big old pot right here, which we didn't need because this already comes with one. But we did need it because the amount of tamales I guess she's gonna make is gonna be superbly great. So that's one of them. Oh, where's Matt? Right there. Comes with that one in the box. Then we purchased this one. And then there's another one right here with all of the, what is in here? ¿Cómo se llama? Carne. Yeah, you got the carne in here. How you say it?
Carne.
Carne, just like I said, carne. And then she has fruit salad right here that she's making. Oh, so delightful. It looks so good. I'm not gonna eat it. So we're gonna go out here and test it right here. Gonna have to move all the stuff out the way, but yeah, a little festive. Christmas lights going on. I still have to finish the rest of these right here, but I just don't have time right now to do it. Gotta work on the burner. So now we have it outside. We got this at least 24 inches away from the propane tank. We're gonna undo this valve right here, and then undo that one, and then we're gonna press this button, and hopefully we get a flame and spark, and we'll see how it goes. So obviously it's the next day. It did not start up because when you buy the propane tank from actual Home Depot, they're empty. And I wish they would have told me that, because we asked them and they said it was filled, and obviously it wasn't because this thing was clicking the whole time I was trying to use it. But anyway, I'm about to go to the U-Haul station now and go get it filled. Here is the stuff to make tamales. Na mesa, you got the chicken, you got the pozole, and then you got something else and something else, and then
It's the
you
meat
have
for the
pies.
tamales. The red one.
Oh, the red one. Oh, okay.
And this is the
And then this, and then you have cookies, and then you have cupcakes, and then you have them eating pozole and everything else.
This
that's
is our
in there.
lunch. Dude, stop eating.
Crazy work.
This is our lunch.
So now we officially have them slaving away.
What is the sauce? This one's
Tamales from scratch.
No, us.
So we finally got the propane tank filled. It is a lot heavier than what it was before. And now we can finally try to test it out and see if it works. And it's actually staying on, guys. You can hear it. This thing is throwing flames like crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off now. Just wanted to make sure it works. So yeah, if you do go ahead and get this tank from Home Depot, it is empty. You have to get it filled. And I got it filled at my local U-Haul station. Made it a lot easier on Thanksgiving Day, so that was a blessing. So we have her, the twin of mom, slaving. So what is this process, mom?
Masa.
Just what? So what do you add in there to make it the orange color? Like what is it? Where's that at?
Over there.
Oh, it's in that bowl that's somewhere over there. So how does it feel? In general. It's hot? I didn't know. Oh yeah.
I burn myself. It's still red.
So if y'all hear somebody laughing, she's laughing at herself on the video. She's not laughing at what we're talking about, guys. Yes, this is the same one that didn't subscribe until a week ago.
I literally subscribed last year.
Last year is crazy. She's lying.
Because I got this one last year.
Do you believe that?
I feel like I'm Mexican in my thing.
Wow. That's a good thing, isn't it?
No.
Oh.
I'm listening to this video. It's crazy.
Now we're getting into the exciting part where she lays the tamale standing perfectly vertical angle, so then all the greatness doesn't fall out of it, even though these things fall off the side. How did you feel?
Annoying.
Oh, that's crazy work. I feel annoyed too when they just fall over. All right, I got to get back to helping. I've been slaving all day with them. It's been a lot of work.
He did not even do one.
Yeah, I did. I did that first one after you just did.
Hold it, held it.
Yeah, I held it. So here's all the tamales that are gonna go inside of there. You got the rojo and the verde. This is what the tamales look like once we get it all done. There's the whole bottom layer you guys can't see, but this is the top layer. We're gonna cover it up. So this is what it looks like whenever you get everything laid out on top, a couple of layers. How many are in there?
Como un 100.
100? It might be. We got to count. If she wins a whole whopping hug. So now we have the tamales cooking. We gotta wait 2 hours for this. Have the flame on really low. Well, it's not really low, it's on medium. So anything higher, it will and probably burn those things up. So now it's just a waiting game. So it's been a long time. Oh, there's a package. Package right there. Answer. I think they will. He said, "Come in."
It was open. Hey.
Hey, I got a package.
Our package or y'all package?
Oh, that don't need to be invented. Yeah,
No.
y'all.
What they ordering now? Hey,
How you doing?
okay.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
What's up, boy? Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, happy and more Thanksgivings and Thanksgivings.
What's happening? Oh, boy, this one here. What's up, boy? Happy Thanksgiving. What's up, boy? Happy Thanksgiving, man. Boy, is tall as a wall. What's up, girl? Happy Thanksgiving. You doing okay? Hey, happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I want my tamales because you can't get no dress until I get the tamales.
Oh, did you see the videos and pictures I sent you? You ain't checked your phone. Check your phone.
I will, but I had to sit down to eat. So when I
No, check. Oh, you're stuck. Oh, so we're gonna put this on the video? No.
No, you did not.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm gonna hide it. What's it? We're gonna put this on the camera. So this one's boiling. What is that?
It's the glaze
Oh.
for the butter rum cake.
Oh, okay. She got that butter. It's okay. We all. You see, I'm not dressed. Look, see how she feels? She said the same thing.
I literally told her, I got mad at him because I told him, I was like, I look ghetto and I'm going out like this.
I'm like, my hair all twisted.